Here is an application problem which we are going to solve using factoring techniques which we have just learned. An open box is made from a 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter piece of cardboard by cutting a square with sides x centimeter from each corner and folding up the edges. The area of the resulting base is 96 centimeters square. What is the length of the side of the cutout square? So that is what the question is. So let's first sketch and then define our variables. Let's say this is our square, right? Now we are cutting out corners with, let's say that is one corner, like these are the four corners, and of course they are all of same dimension, that is x by x, correct? So this box is 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Let's say this side is 20 and that is 10. Now if we cut out a piece, a square piece of x each, then the effective length will be how much? So effectively, if you fold them, then you'll get a box whose dimensions are going to be 2x less from length and width, right? So that is what it is, because you'll remove x from this side and x from the other side. So what you get inside will be 20 minus 2x, and that side is going to be 10 minus 2x. So this is this side. So that is the box which you get, or the resulting base of the box will be 20 minus 2x times 10 minus 2x, correct? Let's read the question once again and then solve it. An open box is made from a 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter piece of cardboard, so these units are centimeters, by cutting a square with sides x, those are the squares, from each corner and folding up the edges. The area of the resulting base is 96. So that is our base. So that area is given to us as 96. That means 10 minus 2x times 20 minus 2x is equal to 96. That is how we get our equation. What is the length of the side of the cutout square? We need to find what x is. So we need to find what x is. So that is the question which we need to solve. And we'll use factoring techniques to solve it, correct? So let's start by opening up these brackets and then simplifying it. But before that, what we can do is, as you can see here, we do have a common factor of 2 in each case, right? So let's factor this, and then we can simplify and then solve. So you can take out 2 from here, so we get 2 times 5 minus x, and here also you can take 2, so we get 2 times 10 minus x equals to 96. Now 2 times 2 is 4. You can divide 96 by 4 and further simplify this equation and then multiply. So we'll do 5 minus x times 10 minus x equals to 94, 96 divided by 4, and that gives you 4 goes 2 times in 9, that is 8, and then 16 is 4 times 4, 24. Right, that is better. Now expand. So you get 50 minus 5x minus 10x plus x squared. Let's bring 24 to left. Minus 24 equals to 0. Perfect. Combine the terms. X squared and minus 15x. 50 minus 24 is how much? 50 minus 24 is 26, right? Equals to 0. So that is the equation which you need to factor. This, is a trinomial with coefficient of 1. So you're looking for two numbers whose product is, when you multiply, you should get 26. And when you add these two numbers p and q, you want minus 15. So look for two numbers which could give you this result. Now 26 is like 2 times 13. Does it work? I think it does. So both should be negative, right? So using those two numbers, we can factor. So let's factor this. So we get from here x minus 13 times x minus 2 equals to 0. Now think about it like this also. What could be the value of x? From here, x cannot be more than 5. Do you see that? If x is more than 5, because this width is 10, so you should remember that x is actually less than 5 and greater than 0. Correct? And therefore, from this particular equation, we have two solutions. One is x equals to 13, the other one is x equals to 2. But x equals to 13 is not a valid answer since x should be less than 5. Do you see? So this one is not valid. But this is valid. So x equals to 2 is the valid answer, right? And since the units are in centimeter, we can write down our answer. That is, what is the length of the side of the cut out square? That x equals to 2, or length of square is 2 centimeters. So that is how we should do such questions. I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thank you.